Okay, guys, today I want to introduce you to my EA. It is a high frequency trading. I name it HFT Master EA. So before I start doing back testing for you, let me describe how it works for you. Okay, so normally it will start with buy stop and sell stop. So let's say that it start by creating buy stop and sell stop right here. So whenever it start, it will create two buy stop and sell stop. So when the price go to trigger the buy stop over here, it will cancel the sell stop, and then buy stop and sell. This buy stop become buy. It will start to make profit or loss only, and if the buy stop take a loss or profit, after that it will start a new phase by creating the same thing, which is another new buy stop and sell stop, something like that. So it will keep doing that until it reach the profit or until the end of the day. So that's simple like that. Okay. So now let's start do some back testing. All right. I'm going to put in the EA, and I will start with capital 1,000 USD, and I will start from January of this month, of this year. Yeah. For input, so for order distance, I will use only 100, which is $1 of gold, and stop loss and take profit is $2 of gold. But for trailing stop, I will use only 50, right? And for each trade, I will risk like 2%, which is $20. All right. And daily target, I will stop. The EA will stop when it reach $100. And this is the time frame for New York session. Yeah, I guess. So let's start it and see how it works. So as you can see that it's created buy stop and sell stop, and whenever it hit buy stop, it will delete the other one. Yeah. So now it reached, for the first day it reached $100 already, and it stopped trading and waiting for the next day. I will move faster. You can notice the drawdown is very low because we use stop loss and take profit. Yeah, now it start again, new day. It complete the day, another day. So I'm running it on 1 minute time frame because I want to see the most from it. Because if we run testing on higher time frame, we can make sure that it's more accurate, because in higher time frame, when you run back testing, it just 4 point of the price, and then we cannot see the real work behind it, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now we passed 3 days already. Let's see 4 day. The fourth day, yeah. So this EA will work well during the high volume session, which is normally for gold. It is on Asian, or not Asian, not much volume like New York session. New York session, you will see a big volume coming in gold market. So that's why I testing this EA on New York session. Actually, this EA you can use it in any instrument, not only just gold. Yeah, but because I see that the gold, there are so many, there are big volume, in gold. A lot of people trade in gold, so that's why this EA seem to be working well with gold, right? So now we reach fifth day of the week. So the first week we reach $500, which is 50%, right, of the capital. So yeah, if you guys have any question, do let me know. If you want to test it, just contact me by Telegram or whatsoever, right? And then I will let you test it as well. Thank you, guys.